Hi guys, welcome back to GarageTech. This video I'm going to show you how to check your service reminder on this Range Rover Evoque or Land Rover Evoque. So first thing you need to do is go to the menu setting. So just hit the menu on your steering wheel, and then at the top you can see there you just have to scroll across to vehicle information. On there, then you need to go down then to next service. So you hit OK, go down. Now, something just to note that you can't get this detail when the engine is running. So you need to have just the ignition turned on. And then when you go in, it will show you then your next service information. So you can see there, 378 days or 16,700 miles. The next oil change, again, same day, but that's 14,450 miles. Okay, so that's how you check if your service is due. You can also check in here your Adblue as well, or your diesel exhaust fluid. So if you just go down to diesel exhaust fluid, it will then give you how much quantity is left. So no refill required, and I've got 4,225 miles left on the range. Cool, that's it guys. If you like these videos, hit the subscribe, give us a thumbs up, take care. Thanks.